Hello everyone, I'm Keerthana. I'm excited to share my experience about the aptitude masterclasses led by the amazing Sai Prasanna ma'am. The time span of every masterclass is 1 hour. Within that 1 hour, she covered each and every topic with such simplicity and clarity. It helped us to grab even the most challenging concept. Her tricks and tips were valuable, helping us overcome any difficulties we encountered while solving the problem. She used example from cartoons or movies to explain concept making us memorable and fun. Our patience and kindness in explaining these things and concept many times we are asking also, it truly made a difference for us. Thanks to her, now I feel confident to tackling any aptitude problem in the aptitude round. Special thanks to EduBridge for providing such a talented trainer. Ma'am, you are a true inspiration, attending every master classes with enthusiasm and dedication. Thank you for everything.